Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to complete our topic 1 numbers, and then the final part of topic 1 is called bounds. So what is a bound? First of all, the bounds are like we are doing. For example, we have to remember anything. They give you a limit, and we have to for up add something up and subtract something back. Our calculation bound is the opposite of rounding. The definition of the bounds, we have to remember these things. The thing is calculating bounds in the opposite of rounding. They are in the limits. We will decide the limit, what limit they are giving, and we have to bring it to two parts. One, we have to add the half in that limit, and we have to subtract half in that limit. So they are the limits at which you would round up instead of down, and vice versa, obviously opposite down. So now if I can write down in here, what is a limit? If they are giving us some number, for example, we need to find out a limit. If they have been given a number which is called a 1, they are asking find out the limits, the bounds of 1. So what is the bounds of 1 then? So first of all, we need to divide that 1 by 2. We will half over that, so we will find out our value is 0.5. So this is the 0.5. We have to add and subtract in that limits. When we add and subtract, we will get our bounds. So if we give the number x is called a 1, so what is the limit of 1? So we are doing 1 take away 0.5, which is gives you 0.5, and then we have to add this 0.5 in there. We will get value is 1.5, and the limits lies between these two values. So we can say that x is less than 1.5 and greater than 0.5. These are the limit. As you know that the limit x value is equal to r1. So how we can find out our values of limits? Now we are going towards a question. The question says it, a piece of wood has a length of 65 centimeters to the nearest centimeter. What is the least possible length of the piece of wood? The second part, what is the greatest possible length of the piece of wood? So we have our length is given is 65 centimeter, and they are saying nearest centimeter. Nearest centimeter means, so always we have to write on a 1 centimeter. Nearest centimeter is gonna be a 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, we have to find out the value which can give us the bounds of that value. So we need to divide, same as it is 1 divided by that, half of it. So we get 0.5 centimeter. So our first part, they say that what is the least possible length of the piece of wood? Least means we have to find the smallest one. So piece of wood, least length, which is 65 centimeter, and this is our, we need to subtract that centimeter to get our least value, which is gonna be 64.5 centimeter. This is our least. This is our A part. The second, they said find out the greatest possible length of the piece of wood. The greatest gonna be the largest. length of a wood, then we have to add that value in this value. So we find out 65.5 centimeter. This is our answer. So this is the least, this is the greatest value of that length. So we go two values of a bounds. These are the bounds. The value lies between these two values. So now again we are going towards the question. They are saying Chelsea's height is 168 centimeter. To the nearest centimeter, again we have to find out the nearest centimeter. What is the Chelsea minimum possible height? What is Chelsea maximum possible height? Again, so we have to write down the Chelsea's height. The Chelsea's height is 168 centimeter. So nearest centimeter is nearest centimeter. So nearest meter 1 gonna be, we will half of that centimeter, we will find our 0.5 centimeter. Whenever they give us anything value, so we will half of it. So the first part, the minimum length, then 168 centimeter, take away 0.5 centimeter. So we will get the value 67.5 centimeter. This is the minimum length. Second part, we have to find out the maximum length. So (168 centimeter) at 0.5 centimeter. So 168.5 centimeter. This is our maximum length. So how we have found out these two values of length? Now we are moving another one question. This says Dione has 60 golf balls. Each of these golf balls weigh 42 grams to the nearest gram. Okay, so nearest gram, again we have to do that in a grams. Work out the greatest possible total weight of all 60 golf balls. So give your answers in a kilogram. We need to give answer in a kilogram. Again in here, how many balls we have? Total. First of all, we need to write total balls. Golf balls. We have 60. These are our total golf balls. So each ball has a weight. Is 42 grams. 42 grams. Okay, so now we need to find out the nearest gram. So 1 gram, the nearest 1 gram gonna be half gram, which is 0.5 gram. This is our value we need to add or subtract. The second thing, work out the greatest possible total weight of all 60 balls, and you give your answer in a kilogram. As you know that in a 1 kilogram we have 1000 grams, right? So we need to find out the greatest weight of one ball, which is equal to, we can say that, which is equal to 42 gram at 0.5 gram. So we got 42.5 gram. These are the total weight of our one ball, the greatest. We need to find out all total weight of 60 balls. total maximum weight of 60 ball. Yeah, so 60 balls times 42.5 gram. Whatever answer comes up, we have to convert that answer into a kilogram, because they said that we need to find our answer in a kilogram. So first we need to multiply these values. When you multiply that value, so it becomes 425 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30 with 3 carries, 0. 6 times 2 is 12, add 3, 15, 1 carry. 6 times 4 is 24 and 25. 2550 grams. When we divide by the 1000, so we get 2.555 grams. Yeah, so first we write down in a grams, 2550 grams. In a kilogram, so 2.550 kilogram. This is our answer. Now again they are saying the length L centimeter of a line is measured as 13 centimeter correct to the nearest centimeter. Yes, complete the following statement to show the range of possible values of a length. So again we have to do it again. So length L centimeter is equal to 13 centimeter. So nearest centimeter, centimeter of 1, so half of 1, which is 0.5 centimeter. So we need to find out the minimum and maximum length of that. So 13 centimeter minus 0.5 centimeter and 13 centimeter plus 0.5 centimeter, which is equal to 12.5 centimeter and 13.5 centimeter. And they are saying write down in this condition length is greater than equal to and less than values. So length 13.5 centimeter greater than equal to 12.5 centimeter. This is our answer. So the second last question, Jim rounds a number x to one decimal place. Okay, one decimal place, not a number, decimal place we need to find out. Write down the error interval of x. We need to find out error interval of x. So the result is 7.2. So error index. So now in here, so what is the number is? We can count x is equal to 7.2. 7.2. They said that to one decimal place, one decimal place, which is equal to 0.1. So 0.1 is the number. So what is the nearest of, we will half of it, that one. What is the nearest of that one? That becomes 0.05. This is the number we have to add or subtract. So minimum, we need to find a minimum error and maximum error. Minimum error, in a minimum error we can subtract 0.05. we will get value 7.15, and maximum error 7.25. So x values lies between 7.25 and 7.15. These are the numbers we can find out when it comes. So we have to take that number and then half of it, then you can find out easily the question. If you find this number and half of it, that's gonna be wrong. The last question of the topic 1 numbers and the final part is round. So after that you have done your complete the topic 1, and then we will move next is going to be second topic. So first of all we'll do that one. As a pencil has a length of 17 centimeters, measures to the nearest centimeter. Write down the least possible length of the pencil and then the greatest possible length of the pencil. So 1 more mark, so 2 marks. If you know about rounds, so easily you can get 2 marks of this question. So 17 centimeter, the length of a pencil. Yeah, this is our length of a pencil. So nearest 1 centimeter. Say nearest centimeter means 1 centimeter. If they give you 5, nearest 5 centimeter, for example, if sometimes the question is the nearest 5 centimeter, then you can say that it's a 5 centimeter, and then half of 5 centimeter is gonna be 2.5 centimeter, right? So but in here they said only a 1 centimeter, then you have to work out a 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, half of 1 centimeter is gonna be 0.5. So we need to minimum and maximum, so both will get values. Minimum we need to subtract 16.5 centimeter and maximum 17.5 centimeter. This is the answer. So now they can change nearest. If they said that, for example, I'll give you one more example. If they said the nearest, just like I said, that's a 5 centimeter. Then what is the half of a 5 centimeter? 2.5 centimeter. Same question, 2.5 centimeter. And this value we need to add, just like if you're finding our minimum, then 17 centimeter take away 2.5 centimeter, we will get value 14.5 centimeter. If you need to find our maximum, then you need to add. Just read the question carefully and then gonna be easy. So these are our the limits of that question. I hope you like that video. We have completed our topic number 1. I can show you here. In here we have completed our standard form, laws of indices, rounding and estimating, and bounds. This one topic has been done. So now we are moving to the next topic. They're going to be called algebra, and in this topic we have 4 sections again: expand, factorize, quadratic equations, rearranging formulas, linear simultaneous equations, graphical inequalities, and then we will complete our that topic also. And say shapes, space and measures, data handling, probability, ratio and proportion. If you have done all these topics, and you will definitely get the grade 5 of in a maths. So I hope you like that video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, Allah Hafiz.